Online with us, we have Mr. Eddie Pettion. We have Ms. Candy from South Africa, who is one of our trainers, and Mr. Vincent Thomas is also a panelist here, who is one of our leaders from the New York region. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's get into the formalities first. Everybody loves disclaimers. But just wanted to let you know that the use of our information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, all right? And that you agree the company is not liable for the success or failure that is directly or indirectly related to our purchase of our services, information, or products. We are in the live market trading cryptocurrency and Forex. It's always our goal to make sure there's profit. However, trading cryptocurrencies as well as Forex does involve substantial risk. May not be suitable for everyone. All right. Also, you do need to be 18 years of age or older in order to participate in our program. All right, let's talk about the founders. You have myself, Cynthia Pettion, CEO of Novatech. You have Mr. Eddie Pettion, who is our COO, our Chief Operations Officer. And then you have Mr. Ricardo Roy. He is the Chief Technology Officer or the CTO of the company. Between the three of us, we have over 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrency, Forex and crypto trading, networking, team building, sales. You'll find profiles of us in the back office as well and on our website with more detailed information about our background, our education. We're all, fans of trading. I think it's an amazing opportunity, this program in particular, to get involved in a live trading market. A lot of people, find it extremely lucrative, and of course, it does come with its risks. But between the program that we have running, including our trading services for our customers and our affiliate program, I think we've put together a very nice combination of items that you wouldn't typically find on the market succeeding. So what do? We're a registered hedge fund broker. We operate our own trading platform with one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. We offer a MetaTrader 5 trading platform. You can go on any MetaTrader 5 app, free downloads in the App Store and Google Play, and download MetaTrader. Look for us as a broker and you'll find Novatech there. We do need to be in good standing in order to be able to maintain our platform with them. And our particular platform offers both PAM accounts, which we're going to be going over, and MT5 accounts, which you can actually trade on live for yourself, wherever available. We offer a cryptocurrency payment gateway, which allows you to make quick deposits and withdraw quickly as well as an affiliate program that's tied into this as well. So what is crypto and Forex trading? What is it that we do? So trading is a conversion of one currency for another. So in the case of crypto trading, you can buy and sell digital currency, like Bitcoin or any other altcoin. It's a digital currency that operates independently of any central bank. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is a global decentralized market as well, but it's for the trading of fiat currencies. And this market determines our foreign exchange rates. It's one of the most actively traded markets in the world. It averages over a daily trading volume of $5 trillion a day. Now, Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. These markets work kind of more like 9-to-5 markets. They open and close during regular business hours. The reason why it's 24 hours is because you have different markets opening and closing. So you may have Germany opening, the US opening, or Japan opening, or Australia, all at different times of the day. So it allows it to be around the clock item, at least, Monday through Friday. It does not operate on the weekends. However, cryptocurrency markets do not close. So we're able to trade and participate in those markets 7 days a week. So let's talk about our trading program, which is our bread and butter here at Novatech. We started this program back in 2019, June. Specifically, we launched the company and started our first trades in August of that same year. So we're now going into our third year of operation, which we're extremely happy about. But the majority of our clients, although we do have an MT5 platform that we trade on, You can trade on there as a retail client as yourself, but we find the majority of clients don't have the experience needed, or they just don't want to take the risk in trading themselves. So they participate in what we call our PAM program. Now, this is not just a Novatech program. This is industry standard to have PAM accounts. And these are percentage allocation management modules. Okay, so what essentially that means is that you're participating in a pool with other members as well, and funds are traded together. So some of the highlights of this type of program, specifically here, is we have a live MetaTrader platform. No experience is required, because once you make a deposit, we start to trade it for you. All right, it is fully automated, so there's nothing really for you to have to do in order to maintain that account or participate in the trading, as long as you're signing up for a PAM account. We do have an online support portal. Our support team operates 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. They are closed on Sundays and holidays, but on that portal, you can type in just about any question and get a formulated response. Or if you wish to speak to somebody, you can open a ticket there for support as well. Our program also allows you to upgrade or cancel at any time. All right, so we'll be going over some of those details as well. So working with Novatech and having our own platform and being brokers gives you a live trading experience. All right, so we are trading for you live on the global market. And you can actually, by downloading the MetaTrader app, like I said earlier, you can open up a demo account, trade for yourself, and kind of get a feel for what it is that we do here. That is available for Windows, iOS, or Android. And if you visit our website at novatechfx.com, you can actually find a link to download it yourself onto your phone or your desktop. In your back office, you can also track your progress. We post trading performance reports weekly to the back office so that you know how it is that we performed. This chart is an actual live chart from the back office. All right, so you can kind of see the activity, how it varies from week to week. One of the things people ask us a lot is, or sometimes they market, which is not really accurate, is that we have either a fixed amount, or you can expect a certain amount, or this is what we average. But you'll see here, just by looking at this chart, how it can vary from week to week, month to month. All right, now this is what the MetaTrader 5 app looks like if you download it on your phone. And many of our traders use this. Some of them prefer to use their desktop, but some of them use their phone as well. And because we have our own platform, you'll see this little ticker coming in and out that has a yellow banner that says real on it. Real means it's a live account trading on the market. Novatech is labeled there as well. Every one of our traders who has access to this, we can monitor, okay? So Mr. Petillon will be going into some of the details about how we pick traders and what kind of loss mitigation practices that we use in order to help prevent any kind of major loss on these accounts. In this next slide, I want to show you real quick. You'll see here a bit of a trading snapshot. And I'd love for Mr. Petillon to go over this part as well. But one thing that you'll notice here in this red box is showing 1 to 100 of over 24,000 trades that took place in this time frame. Now, people want to know all the time, can they tap in? Can they look at this? One of the things that we let people know, quite honestly, we have several different traders working for us. They're in different types of accounts, and some are trading crypto, some are trading fiat, some are using a combination of both. It's literally thousands and thousands of transactions to try to report. So we prefer to do it this way because it's more of a conversation. We did, I always tell people this story because we can laugh at it now. It wasn't very funny in the beginning, but we wanted to give so much transparency on our program and our accounts that our platform actually traded inside of everybody's individual accounts, and every single person can see every trade that was open and closed. That logistically became a nightmare because people were logging in all day long just to see what the activity is. And sometimes trades are open, guys, for hours, minutes, but sometimes they're open for days and weeks. waiting to get into profit. So it was kind of creating a bit of anxiety for our members to have to see that activity going on, as well as a great deal of stress for our traders who are now getting messages to, what are you doing with this trade? Are you opening it? Are you closing it or whatever? As we increase also, you'll see here, again, it's showing almost 25,000 trades that we've created. This is a highlight also showing you the average trades per month, and you'll see this was dated just a few days ago, and starting in 2019 we were actually using the platform, testing it and performing trades before we actually launched it. But Mr. Petty, I'm gonna mute myself for a minute. Would you mind explaining today what methodology we use to pick and select our traders, whether or not they're using artificial intelligence, and how we monitor that activity?
Hello, everyone. Eddie Petion here, CEO of Novatech. But thank you again for all of you for being here. We do get a lot of questions about how the operations in the background, like how we select our traders, how many trades a day do we open? I mean, you've seen some of the snapshots here. We may go do like over 4,000 trades in just a month. And you might see some months that the trade volume is low. Why? Because it's volatile depending on the market conditions. So as far as our traders themselves, is that we go through a very rigorous program of selecting our traders. We put them through a pilot program for at least 30 days, and where they actually have to prove themselves that they actually can trade. And those 30 days, they are not trading on live accounts. They are demo accounts that we monitor 24/7 to see the style. Because each trader, guys, have their own unique styles. However, the key is that we first want to ensure that they can handle proper risk management by setting up certain trading objectives that every trader have to abide by. And it doesn't matter how good they are, if they don't stay within those objectives, we will let them go. I mean, we've gone through traders. We probably screen about 20, let's say we screen about 20 traders. Maybe one or two will make the cut. And even at that one or two, maybe one will probably end up staying with the company for a long time. So things that we do just for you guys that are traders out there is that we do have minimum trading days, like during the week, or maximum trading days. We try to stay out the market on the volatile days, like let's say it's a holiday or something drastic is going in the world where it's moving the market like crazy. We try not to stay in the market. So they have the maximum daily loss, maximum total loss they can have on any account, and they have a profit target. Doesn't mean that they're gonna meet that profit all the time, but we stay very conservative. We don't want a trader making 20% for us today and the next day they lose 30%. Rather stay consistent. Even if a trader do 0.5% that day, we happy. So that's how we select our traders, and that's how we've been very successful in what we do in the past almost 3 years now, and what a company is now today. And every day we grow. We're always looking for great traders, but yes, we welcome new talents every day, and we've learned a lot too from our traders, and we keep a very good relationship with them. They've become like a family. So Novatech is a family business, and we want to keep it that way. But yeah, but thank you guys. This is Cynthia. I'm gonna let you go ahead and take it along. I'll let you drive the bus now.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, and Happy New Year to all.
Thank you. All right. So there you have it, the long and short of trader selection and how the program works with our traders. Again, every trader has an individual account based on their level of experience, and they are given objectives. So if they travel outside of those objectives, or even if they just need time off and they can't monitor their trades, we have total control of every single account that runs through our platform, which is the reason why we decided to use our own platform as a broker, as opposed to just trading on someone else's platform. Okay. Now, what makes our program different from your other programs? First, there's no expiration dates. As long as you want to trade, you can continue to trade. And at any time, if you want to stop, you can do so also. So we don't give you a contract that tells you, okay, you're maxed out at a certain price, time to go or join a new contract. It's just an ongoing account. and you're free to upgrade it at any time. You can cancel it at any time, and you also have access to your capital. All right. So if you make a deposit and you wish to withdraw from it, or withdraw some of it, or just decide this program isn't for you, or you need to back out for a few months and come back later, that's totally fine. Whatever you deposit, we're trading with it. So whatever we report every week that you earn as bonuses are profits made from those balances. And if you decide at any time that you don't want to participate in the program anymore, you're free to withdraw your balances as well. We also don't put any earning caps. All right, our program, you'll see as we go along, is very heavily profit-based. So we don't have a need or necessity to put caps on your earnings. And there's also no withdrawal limits. So we don't cap how much you can take out a day. Over a certain amount, we may ask for ID, just to make sure that it's you actually making a withdrawal. However, there are no limits. You can take out as much as you need or have to on a daily basis. So let's talk about our trading packages. We have several different packages that you can choose from. However, it starts at $99. Every single one of these packages works the same way. They have different names, but the functionality of them are the same. Now, we have what we call a builder account. Guys, it is called a builder account for a reason. This program does charge a $25 a month service fee, which starts billing to you after 30 days of service, after you registered your account. And this program allows you to start at $99. However, you can imagine if you're making trading bonuses on $100 a month and having to pay a $25 monthly service fee, your balances can quickly disappear. The reason why we have that particular program is because there are many people who want an opportunity to get started with a program like this and be able to build on it. Maybe they plan to add more balances later. Maybe they plan to use the affiliate program, which we're going to be going over in order to earn more income. A lot of people ask us, why do we have it? But it's because we know a lot of people, especially in the line of business that we're in, that just want an opportunity to start somewhere. And I can probably name several, people just off the top of my head who started at that $99 and are now trading, a great deal more. Then you have your bronze package, which starts at $500. All right, if you want to jump into the trading activity and start to see any kind of real profits that you can benefit from, this is the package, the minimum package that I would recommend. We also have the silver, the gold, and a platinum account. All of these work pretty much the same. The only difference between them is how much you are actually trading. Now, you can also start anywhere here and deposit more as you want. This program allows you a great deal of flexibility so that you can add to it as you progress. All right. Now, we do have a couple of higher packages. This was actually initiated because there was a need for it. We had people who really liked the program and were growing quickly with it, and we decided at some point to just add additional benefits for those who are entrusting us with their business and looking to continue to grow with us. So what we call our VIP members are anyone who are trading $25,000 up to and including $99,999. Again, you get your weekly benefits, but in addition to that, you get a 1% cash back, which gets awarded monthly, and your service fee is now waived once you reach $25,000. Now, the minute you make a deposit, it typically starts trading within 24 hours. All right, so we pay out our trading bonuses every Friday. We do not pay it daily because it's just too hard to manage. We're trading on the open market. There may be a day of loss. It becomes difficult to report earnings that day or percentages if we're only trading for that day and reporting it on a daily basis. It also doesn't help us account for any loss because sometimes a week doesn't just include profit. It includes whatever losses were made during that week as well. So what we pay out on Fridays, and that's anytime on Friday before midnight, Sometimes we pay it earlier, sometimes we pay it later. It depends what time we close the books or decide to report earnings. We try to get it done as early as possible just because we realize it is Friday and you may have questions about it, and we want to try to keep support online at the same time so that you can get the most assistance. But technically, the earnings for your trading balances can be reported anytime before midnight on Friday. All right, but once we push those earnings to your wallet, it's available for immediate withdrawal. And lastly but not least is our President's Club account. And this is for anyone who's trading $100,000 or more a month. Now, for both of those programs with the cashback, you do have to be trading for a full calendar month. And we do that so that people don't make these deposits, they earn rewards, and then they pull it right back out. That wouldn't be really good for business. But the President's Club, instead of a 1% cashback monthly reward, it gets a 2.5% cashback. All right, so the way the cashback program works, guys, is that whatever ROI you're paid for the course of that month, all right, so let's say you're trading President's Club level, which is $100,000 or more, and you earn, I'm just going to use a round figure, $5,000 that month in earnings, okay, in ROI. So we will take that $5,000, we'll calculate 2.5% of it, and we'll credit it back to your account. That goes into your bonus account, because as a trader, you have two accounts with us. You have your bonus account, which is where all your earnings get deposited, and then you have your trading account. Okay, and those are the funds that are trading on the market. This program for the President's Club also has no monthly service fees, but in addition to that, after a full calendar month of trading with us, that means from the 1st to the 30th or the 31st of a month, we give you $1,000, what we call a gift card bonus. We just credit $1,000 to your bonus account. You can use it however you want. You can withdraw it, you can use it to upgrade your account. But it's just a thank you again for allowing us to manage a trading account for you. In addition to this, we have a dedicated support portal. You can reach this one of many ways. You can either send us an email to support@novatechfx.com. You can go directly to the portal website, or you can click help desk in your back office, all of which take you to the support portal in order to help answer questions. Anybody submitting a ticket here, just know that it can take 24 to 48 hours for somebody to reply. Weekends and holidays may take a little longer because they are closed on Sundays and holidays. Now, you can also here, you'll see enter your search term here. Any question that you have, whether it's about payments or how ROI is calculated or any of those things, you can just start typing the question and it'll pop up as well, different variations of answers. And hopefully that answers most questions. But if you need further assistance, you can go ahead with proceed with submitting a ticket. And they're very good at replying. We're actually looking at beefing up support as well, so that we can maybe either introduce more people or more hours to the support portal. Me personally, you know, you have sponsors as well who help enroll you in the program. I think it's always helpful to go to them first. They're already in the program, they're already participating in it, they already know how things work. Although they can't access your personal accounts, no one has access to that other than you. So they can't go in and tell you, okay, well, this is how much you got paid and why and everything else. That would be directed towards support. But most sponsors here can answer general questions, and you'll probably hear from them a lot quicker. So I would say your first point of contact should be your upline. And if they're unable to assist you with what you need, by all means, redirect your question to the support portal.